Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my marital spirit, they call BBC Sports. Don't come outside and let us know, say Arsenal don't contact Juventus, say they won't sign Manuel Locatelli. This midfielder where Arsenal be one sign in the past again. I think he was playing for Wigan and Sassuolo then, where Arsenal no configure sign him, Juventus come wrong go sign him. And the problem is say all these Italian superstars, then they find them hard to come up for Italy, go maybe a foreign country. I don't just know why. All their dreams and aspirations now to go join maybe a Juventus, AC Milan, Inter Milan, Napoli, all those kind of routes. Now be their journey. But now we say Juventus don't sign the guy no come prosper, they no really succeed. So things no go well for him. So now Juventus don't see themselves won't sell him, you get, because he's like a surplus to requirement player. Even one of their super winger, what they call Federico Chiesa, don't come back from injury after 9 months spell on the sidelines. So many players don't deal for some kind of attacking position. So the reason say may Locatelli fine in square root. Now Arsenal don't they come back for the guy because obviously now we be want you now. You got wrong go join Juve. So Arsenal they come back for the guy, say they won't sign him. So now January package, but they don't officially reason Juventus say okay, I just said I won't sell this guy. We said we interested, won't buy the guy. So how it go be, how much it go be. Then after Juve don't agree, say okay, we won't sell him. They'll come go officially talk to the guy agents. We they know what's being planned, how much type of salary in they look for, you know, all those kind of little details. So anyhow with the deal they go, I will carry on along. On my way from that, so Jamie Carragher don't come aside from media set. All the talk say he get 2 players when they take Arsenal to another level, and those 2 players now people like Gabriel Jesus and William Saliba. Now nobody will even they call Zinchenko because Zinchenko don't they collect injury anyhow now. But these 2 people, since when they come, nothing like injury. They don't play all the matches you get. But Arsenal don't play for EPL, so they are very instrumental to Arsenal's progress, the way Arsenal they play moving forward. When you check the defense, it can't be like Saliba be the leader there. Before they think na Gabriel Magalhaes, but now na Saliba, because this guy is calm and collected. So now him everybody they praise, say Saliba, you do very well. We like the way they do. Then when you go to the attack, Gabriel Jesus, senior man, start the pressing from up front to get. Let them know, press them down. So the guy don't they make things they tick. That's why they praise 2 of them. Say without 2 of them, I'm go run the way we did now. On my marital spirits, can you come outside and let us know, say Chelsea, they highly interested in signing Martinelli. Say they need the guy bad. I don't know what they see for Martinelli. People want to know, say originally before now in the scam Martinelli, they praise Martinelli, say he's going to be a great player in the future, so watch out for him. Now people like Jurgen Klopp, now they are not see that they praise Martinelli well. But this one be say Chelsea under Graham Potter. What the reason our own Martinelli? All the Stanley we then get to call, all the Mason Mount, all the everybody then get, what they don't take them do. So I don't understand what they see for our own Martinelli. So even more on this, because they talk say if Arsenal no secure Champions League football, say Chelsea go come out officially, can't say they want Martinelli. I know say for Chelsea money no be their problem. If you like put the person 150 million, if now they want, say coach don't tell void say, Baba give me this guy, he go buy him. So money no be their problem. And when you come to look at Martinelli, do you know we bought Martinelli from Ituano, will be a Brazilian 3rd division, not be 1st or 2nd, 3rd division side Ituano, and we bought this guy for £6 million. See how we don't transform him to the finished goods from raw materials. People don't define them now. So that is what Arsenal is all about. Give people will be say you know go believe say they will feel prosper. Give them chance, they will shine like mad. So now say you look at when we buy Saliba, we spent £30 million on an 18-year-old. I better 18 or 19 safe. Now we buy Saliba that time. How many teams go pay that kind of money? Then you never be anybody who buy him from St. still live and there. He play from there, go genius, come back, come go Marseille, come blossom. Everybody comes and say, this guy on the better. And even Fabrizio Romano come to tell us say to get one unnamed Premier League club will be one snap Saliba before he start this Arsenal journey. They won't buy him from Arsenal hand. They promise big money, Arsenal no agree. And you can say Marcel under the leadership of Pablo Longoria, the president won't sanction big money move for William Saliba because they see the way Saliba do for them for Marseille. At the end of the day, Arsenal no agree because Saliba is an untouchable. You see Saliba, you see Martinelli, untouchables. Nobody will decide. They see Saka, You see Miss Petro, these guys are the core future. We don't touch them, you get. They are rare gems, they are diamonds. They find them anyhow. So they are untouchable. So that's it just be. Our Granny Xhaka don come outside dey praise Vieira, wey be Crystal Palace manager, for the continuous support and praise. Because when you check Crystal Palace manager, Baba dey talk say him dey look himself as a young, dey look at Granny Xhaka as a younger Vieira when himself dey play, because all the things wey Xhaka dey face na wetin himself face. So he don dey very very happy say Xhaka don transform himself, the way he dey play, don bring himself back into the minds of the Arsenal faithful. They dey sing him praises like he's enjoying football now. And with the partnership of Partey, wey come dey help and dey surge forward, dey surge back, the guys enjoying the football of his lifetime. You get, I no think say he don ever play football like this, make it dey enjoy am, dey score goals. He don score more goals than wetin he score last season. In short, the seasons past and past, he don score more goals because the guy don make many assists. I think they have scored like 2 goals already or more. Let's try him playing well this season. There you do it. Martinelli himself don come outside talk say in hopes and aspiration for this season now at least to qualify for the Champions League and to play for the World Cup. Say if he fit to achieve this feat, say it go make sense for am. Say he go like to represent Brazil for that World Cup. Well, I don't know whether I go dey possible. Even some pundits they talk say for Arsenal good, so it go make sense make their players no even go World Cup at least, so that they go dey rested, so that when the second half of the season starts, they go dey rest. As people dey go World Cup, then go dey behind the scene, they do some kind of light training. Even at the ESA, Arsenal they plan to travel to Dubai, because Dubai dey close to the World Cup area. So as people dey go World Cup, if Arsenal players they come up for the World Cup, they're going to fly come Dubai. They do like training, just like last season when we took a break. We can't go to Dubai, go do some kind of light touches to create some camaraderie and bonding. They won't do them again this time around, because if they don't go World Cup, they go there. It's going to be like a pre-season. They're going to do small pre-season before the second half of the season will start, so that we'll hit the ground running. So I don't know that this one will be good thing, I bet that will be bad thing, because normally emotional damage, once your country don't invite you, it's gonna be like say maybe you know they're good enough. It seems they affect you mentally. I never know. I'm just watch. Balogun don't score another goal for Reims. So this one don't become a 6th goal in 9 matches for Reims. So the president and everybody for the club, they're very very happy with him, which means Arteta plan of sending the guy out on loan, it will go according to track. But another stumbling block now come be say Reims, their president can talk say then go like to turn this Balogun loan move into a permanent move, and now wetin Arteta no want take here. No one hear all that kind of say, Baba, no wetin we discuss. We tell you say make this guy go out on loan go play for you. Now wetin Marcel sef wan do Saliba. After I send him out on loan, he go play. The guy plays so fantastically well. They won't come turn him to a permanent move. We say no. Our own job now, make the guy go out on move, develop, help you achieve your own goals, then come back to his parents' club. Then once send him out on loan to una again, that one a different kettle of fish. Don't be say you can't propose, say we give him to you outrightly, permanent move. No. I don't think Arteta will accept that. What do you not think now? Share with the competition for places for Arsenal, it will make sense people sell Balogun to Reims, and it will make sense maybe they develop, so that in the future, who knows, it might come and become better than Gabriel Jesus. What do you not think? Let me know in the comment section. William Saliba don offer contract updates, because they ask the guy after the match against Tottenham Hotspur. So what did they sup now? You know, go like to sign contract extension for Arsenal. Baba can say, yeah, you know, say nobody sabi speak English. We can say, yeah, we will see. We will see about that. We will see about that. Say in agents don't they discuss with Arsenal already? They are in the discussion phase. Say we're going to see about that. So now our prayer, may the guy sign a new contract. Even some people they talk to me they sign like 20 years contract. Give the guy, because he can arguably play for Arsenal for the next 20 years. If possible now, so it can happen. Like 15-20 years. It's possible. When they give a lifetime contract, he enter when he retire again. Because the guy never reach a peak. This guy will dominate many people for this EPL in many years to come, because that height alone and the reading of the game, the guy. And what say the post my for the guy be saying the clean tackles when they do like very neat. You know, they play a rough game, calm, collect. The guy good at big. Even the Daily Mail self don't come outside and they explain to us say Arsenal they draft 4 years contracts for Bukayo Saka, where they worth £200,000 per week. Like as I talk, Saka is one of the untouchables for Arsenal. So Arsenal will make sure say if now money be a problem, they will double the money. Money no be the issue you get. They will double the money. Make sure say you know the reason say I they work hard like a Jackie, I call the chop like ants. No, we will make sure say they give them enough money to let them know say in the very valued for this club, and that's how it will be. So what will they wait for them? Make the guy sign pen to paper. I believe say they don't offer him, they don't give him the offer. Now lawyers will go through him. they go read them for any loophole or any thing where they don't hide any hidden thing there. And another thing that they drag now, clause, buyout clause, because Arsenal know they like to put buyout clause for their deals. So now that's in a buyout clause. Say, okay, in case anybody won't sign me, how much make them pay? In case things no go well, because many pundits they of the opinion say Saka need Champions League football. You need to win something. Making career no go be like Harry Kane. We don't take for Tottenham Hotspur, Shingbaka, you know win. Cup, even spoon self, you know win. Talkless of cup. So that's why they talk say make them put a buyout clause in case things don't going to go well, so that maybe Man City or Real Madrid or whoever go fit come as an escape routes. Well, but they watch as things they go. Our Graham Souness will be one of the Liverpool senior men. Don't come as I call the talk say Arsenal don't improve immensely under Arteta. See the way they play. Check out last season now. First 3 matches back, then lose. Even though they still try, come back. At the end of the day, they can't end for 5th. Everybody they praise them, say yes and tried. End above Manchester United. We get world best, Ronaldo, everything. They still end up. Even Sancho with them buy, all those people will still end above them. Now look at this season. Now look at the way we take start. 7 wins out of 8 games. Come on, man. Who expected that? Who saw it coming? Nobody saw that coming. So now waiting, but why they talk say Arsenal don't really improve. Now people know they even talk about Arsenal. Will they enter the top 4? What did they argue now? Are they title contenders? That's the arguments now. Check out many pundits. People here say this pundit say no, Arsenal are not contenders. This pundit say yes, Arsenal are title contenders. They are not arguing with Arsenal being the top 4. For everybody mind, Arsenal don't enter the top 4 finish. Now whether they go win title tonight, and my prayer and joy we say make it continue like that. I just like the belief, both our enemies or our rivals or both in-house fans or everybody get that belief say Arsenal don't get the top 4. In short, it is our top 4 to lose. So much of they see as everything they continue. Granit Xhaka don't win the player of the month of September, in case you were not aware, and he won it convincingly. They put him ahead with all those kind of Gabriel Jesus, Bukayo Saka and Fabio Vieira. When I see that list, I don't already talk and say for me, the person who I go give that in name be Granit Xhaka, because come on, the guy don't improve like man. They make the boys they tick, they give them assists, they control games, they score. What did they find a game for a modern day midfielder when they give you? You can't be like a modern day box to box. They go forward, they come back. You know when to attack, you know when to defend, you know when to allow Zinchenko come from midfield, go cover Zinchenko. You know many things so they do. And our game, they don't model them according to how Man City they play. There are so many similarities between our game and Man City game, because what they are doing is what works. That's why you go see say Oga and former assistants. Now then they for first and second. We dey first. Now assistant dey first. Oga the second. That's in the mood of Arteta and Pep Guardiola, because we are playing similar style of football. And many people talk say when we meet, that go be the big test. Me, I don't look at it as a big test, because if Man City knock us 10-0 to today now, I don't the reason as anything, because me I know say their level pass our level, but that I know me say we no fit beat them. Last season when they come Emirates, their body tell them now. If no be just 5 minutes of madness from Gabriel Magalhaes, we turn the game around. We don't knock them, they go now, we control proceedings. They know how many balls they see play, like those dominating play, they know see and do. For the Emirates to be 12 men, control everything, score ball, could have scored more self. I will not come score plenty before they come do their yellow card, red card. Before you know they don't score, come win us 2-1. And Arteta no even did that match. Even I remember, but then COVID-19 do Arteta been. I don't forget what to do Arteta. But Arteta did for house. Now the assistant coach now take charge of that match. Arteta did for dressing room. They talk to them through Skype. What I could remember. So now what is up? But this season, what just the watch as it go. Even Liverpool self who won't meet this season now. Liverpool don't they form say they be underdog. Imagine what they call them Jurgen Klopp. They talk say they go try to beat Arsenal. They form like say they no sabi play again. And so we meet on Sunday, sha. One of our senior man Kingsley Anya Duba Baba don't send me 10k yesterday. But I remember when we go live for Facebook where they do match reaction. When Baba join the live show, say make a reason now for DM, saying get something for me, senior man. But just wire me 10k. Some reason they support the ministry now. So Baba, thank you, and God bless you. I'll see wherever I receive money to support our program. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. I'm gonna help in that camp, but don't try. Very much. God bless you, boss. Get out. I'm a German Janus. Don't come as I call the talk. Say, see, if Arteta won't continue to the win, the thing wey him gats to do na to make sure say they get a cover for Thomas Partey, because wetin Partey dey do e no really dey reliable. This guy can play one match today, tomorrow go hear say he don get one injury for training. Like, the guy no dey consis ten t. So one thing we go do, he's quite a good player. You need to reduce the number of games wey they play by not playing him all the time. Because if you don see say the leg don dey weak, something, he bring am out, he put a replacement, buy a cover for this January. Make sure you have a cover. That's one of the positions where we go find signing. And because we say if Gabriel Jesus gets your injury, we see say we go get a dip in form. We never suffer this season. No. Many pundits they talk say Arsenal is going to suffer a dip in form. When will that happen? We don't know yet. See, at Liverpool they suffer already now. Our own never come. So more just watch as they go in the future. Our young club sef don come outside come dey talk about Odegaard. Say him like Odegaard, say don dey follow the guy for a very long time. Even before the guy go sign for Real Madrid when he was 15 years. So that time he like the guy, he wan sign am for Dortmund, but it was not possible. The guy signed for Real Madrid, they no really give am chance because they look say na smally. When they signed am that time, they were saying he was a prodigy, he was a future talent. But the guy, they no come give am chance, even though they get old men, all those guys look at Modric, Toni Kroos, Casemiro as of that time, where they control the midfield, so they no see chance to give the guy play. They send him out on loan, many plays, so until he come Arsenal, come back again before we come buy him outright. They say, okay, we need this guy. Look at the guy is shining in Arsenal, very young boy, captain of Norway, captain of Arsenal. Say the guy is very influential in every game. The way they play now, the way Liverpool expects their own Thiago Alcantara to the control games, but that one don't share. I don't know what to do. So back on the talk, say if the saying gets in way, we just snap up Odegaard. But Odegaard is one of our untouchables. He's not for sale. So come on your eye for where they Odegaard, Martinelli, Saka, all these guys. Come on your eye for where they. These are small boys. We have the youngest team in the league, and we are dominating the league. I still wait for that Sunday game. Make us see whether Liverpool will dominate us, and we will dominate them. And which kind of tactics? Sure, let's say we'll go another live update later to discuss which kind of tactics we even fit use to deploy against Liverpool. Are we going to play the dominating game like we usually play? Are we going to allow them dominate? Let us counter attack. How it will be, because now the way Arteta the setup, now the way Man City the setup, we are always attacking, irrespective of whoever we are playing against. We know the fear. We don't come off fear. Time inside box to throw out for Babish. Fear no day, zero joy. So anyhow the team they go share, I will let you know. So if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click am so that you will see all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.